Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET and SQL Academy. In this video, I will be discussing 5 important SQL interview questions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these questions will help you sharpen your SQL skills. So, let us dive in. Welcome to this session. In this, we will learn how to find the employee with the third highest salary from a table in SQL. This is a common query in database management and can be solved in a few different ways. Let us dive in. Here is a sample employees table. We want to find out who has the third highest salary. Let us explore a couple of ways to achieve this. One method is using the limit and offset clause. This query orders the employees by salary in descending order and use limit 1 offset 2 to skip the top 2 salaries, returning the third highest salary. Another approach is to use a subquery. This query finds the maximum salary that is less than the highest salary and then finds the maximum salary that is less than that. This effectively gives us the third highest salary. A more advanced method is using the dense rank function. This function assigns a unique rank to each distinct salary. In the outer query, we simply filter for the rank that equals 3 to find the employee with the third highest salary. When using these methods, consider edge cases. What if there are ties in the salaries? The dense rank function handles ties well, while other methods may need adjustments. Also, ensure your table has at least 3 employees to avoid errors. In summary, we explored several methods to find the employee with the third highest salary in SQL, including using limit, subqueries, and the dense rank function. Choose the method that best fit your needs. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this, we will learn how to fetch duplicate rows in a table using SQL. Identifying duplicates is crucial for data integrity and cleanup. Let us get started. Here is a sample employees table. Notice that Alice and Bob have duplicate emails. We want to find these duplicate rows based on the email column. One common method to find duplicates is using the group by clause along with the having clause. This query groups the records by the email column and counts the occurrences. The having clause filters to show only those emails that appear more than once. To fetch the full duplicate rows, you can use a subquery. This query selects all columns from the employees table where the email is found in the list of duplicates identified by the previous query. Another approach is using a common table expression or CTE. This method first defines a CTE to identify duplicate emails and then joins it back to the original table to fetch the complete rows. When working with duplicates, consider performance especially with the large tables. You can also identify duplicates based on multiple columns by including them in the group by clause. This allows for complex duplicate checks. In summary, we explored several methods to fetch duplicate rows in a table, including using group by, subqueries, and CTEs. Identifying duplicates is crucial for maintaining clean and accurate data. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. Welcome. In this session, we will learn how to find employees whose names contain exactly two occurrences of the letter A using SQL. Our goal is to retrieve employees whose names contain exactly two A's. For example, Anand qualifies but Amar does not, since it has only one A, and Akash does not, since it has three A's. Here is our sample employee table. We need to find names containing exactly two occurrences of the letter A. This SQL query works by counting how many times the letter appears in each name. We do this by subtracting the length of the name after removing all A's from its original length. If the result is exactly 2, we include the name in our output. When we execute the query, it correctly returns names like Anand, Aman, and Kamal, which contain exactly two A's. That's how you find names with exactly two A's in SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to more SQL tutorials. Welcome to this channel and to this session. In this, we will learn how to extract exactly 4 characters from a string, starting from the second position using SQL. Our goal is to extract 4 characters from a string, starting from the second character. For example, in database, the result should be ATAB. We use substring function in SQL to extract part of a string. The first parameter is the string itself, the second is the starting position, and the third is the number of characters to extract. When we run this query, the output correctly returns a tab from the word database. Here is another example, extracting 4 characters from learning starting at position 2 gives us EARN. That's how you extract characters using substrings in SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more SQL tutorials. Welcome to this session. In this, we will explore how self-join work in SQL and how they can be used to compare data within the same table. A self-join is a type of join where a table is joined with itself. This is useful when comparing rows within the same table, such as finding employees and their managers stored in the same table. Consider this employee table where each employee has a manager ID that references another employee ID in the same table. We will use a self-join to match employees with their managers. In this query, we treat the employees table as 2 separate instances, one as the employee E1 and other as the manager E2. The join condition links the manager ID from E1 to the employee ID in E2 to find matching managers. When we execute the query, we get a list of employees and their corresponding managers based on the manager ID relationship. Self-join can be used in various scenarios such as finding employees under the same manager, detecting duplicate records, or analyzing historical data within the same table. That's how self-joins work in SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more SQL tutorials.